Hey, what's up, guys? Another little tip here. What I wanted to talk to you guys about is an issue that we all do it, and it's kind of give you guys a little recommendations. When you guys are sitting at the light, try not to leave your lever, your clutch lever pressed in. So you're at the light, it's in gear, first gear, waiting for the light to turn green. You pressed your lever down. So what that does, that disengages your clutch assembly. So this comes away from your clutches, freeing up your clutch fibers and your clutch steel plates, so they no longer have pressure on them. But that's one main problem, that is while you're sitting there and you have your lever down, these springs, not only these springs, this is older style, you know, BDL springs, but the newer diaphragms and all that stuff, you know, we're getting bigger and bigger motors, more performance, so we're putting bigger clutches. And what it does, it creates an issue with your throwout bearing. So your throwout bearing is just this little bearing. See if I can get it to focus here. This little bearing that has pressure on it and is spinning while you're at the light. So that thing is getting extremely hot, and you're just sitting there at the light and it's just spinning. So then sometimes it gets hot enough to where your clutch rod and your adjusting bolt weld to each other. So that's not supposed to happen. So this is your adjusting bolt. This bolt goes in there and it adjusts your clutch in play. So it's supposed to be a two-piece, your adjusting bolt and your clutch rod, and it gets so hot that they weld to each other, and that's not good. Eventually it starts damaging other things like your fibers and stuff. So take in consideration, on the long run, it'll save you a lot of money. So get to the light, put it in neutral, and let your lever just sit there, and it will definitely save you money on the long run. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.